In this series of videos, I'll be showing you some crypto trading tips. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to read and understand the order book. Whilst all order books serve the same purpose, their appearance and terminology can differ slightly. So I'll show you the order book on 3 of the most popular crypto trading platforms: Coinbase Pro, Blockchain Exchange, and Binance. And I've created full tutorials of all of these, which you can find on YouTube and also on my blog, everybithelps.co.uk. And I'll pop the links in the summary below to all 3. There are a couple of different types of orders that I've covered in previous crypto trading tip videos, which are market and limit orders. With a market order, you're buying your crypto straight away at the current price. Therefore, your order never hits the order book. However, if you're placing a limit order, your order will be shown. And the order book is a list containing all outstanding buy or sell orders for a specific crypto pairing organised by price level. It identifies the amount of the currency pair being bought or sold at a specific price known as the market depth. So first up, we'll take a look at Coinbase Pro. And the first thing you'll need to do is select the market. So in this example, I'm going to be having Bitcoin with GBP. And if we just take a look at the order book, you'll see here that you have all your buys in green and you have all your sell orders in red. Buys, which are also known as bids, are people that are willing to buy as the price goes down. Then you have your sells, which are also known as asks. Now they are people waiting to sell as the price goes up. Then in between your buys and your sells is something called your spread, which is basically just the difference between your buy and sell prices. Now within your order book, these are all the orders that are currently open just on Coinbase Pro. And we can view the price that people are willing to buy or sell at. We can view the market size or the amount of crypto or fiat they'd like to buy or sell. And when you place a limit order, you'll see your order appear on the order book under the column called My Size. Then at the bottom, you have something called Aggregation, which allows you to group the order in terms of the price. So at the moment here, you can see that we have all the orders that are grouped at 0.01 decimal places. And in this case, it's pence because I'm dealing with GBP. However, you can also group that in terms of 0.05 pence, 10 pence, 50, etc. And as I said, the order book serves the same purpose on all the exchanges, but I'll show you over on blockchain.com's exchange and on Binance so that you can view them. So just taking a look at the blockchain exchange, you'll see the order book here is very similar. So you have obviously your greens and your red sections relating to buy and sell orders. You have the amount being bought or sold. You have the total and you have your price here too. You can also expand this order book by clicking on the button in the top right hand corner here. And now you can see that you get a visual representation of the orders in form of a depth chart here in green and red. So with Binance, you have your order book on the left-hand side here, and it shows us our price, it shows us the amounts, and it shows us the total. You also have the option to customize this view. So at the moment, we're seeing our sell orders and our buy orders, but we can just view just our buy orders, for example. And we can also click onto this icon here and just view our sell orders. Well, I'll just take us back to our buy and sell orders. And if I scroll down, you see that you have this button called More. So I'm just going to click onto that. And what that provides me with is just a bit more detail so I can view the order book. So I can then actually increase the depth. So at the moment I can see 15 buy orders and 15 sell orders. However, I can increase that to 30, for example. And I can also group by decimal places. So at the moment I'm looking at 2 decimal places in terms of that price. However, I could change that to 0 so that my price then shows no decimal places on here. So that was a very brief overview of the order book. And I hope you enjoyed this video today. And if you did, then please give me a like, hit the subscribe button, and please do head over to my website at www.everybithelps.co.uk for more tips, reviews, and step-by-step guides. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.